So hey guys, so today I'm going to do a mod on the new 2019 Pilot. I'm going to install the door sills like I did on my Accord. The ones that I use the vinyl, and then I have the sticker that sticks over the top with the word Pilot on them. It's an easy mod I like, and I think it'll add some protection to this car. The other option is the OEM sills that cost, I think they're like $250 or something. So I don't want to spend that much money on them. And those get all scratched up anyway because I've had them on other cars. So I'm going to go this route since I really love mine. And we'll get started here, guys. So first of all, we start with, I got the 4D carbon fiber vinyl. They're pre-cut. They're a little bit bigger on the fronts and then the rear a little shorter. I like them. Really strong material as far as scuffing and all that. You don't need heat to put it on. If you get any little air pockets, you can use heat to help lay them down. I'm not going to show the actual install video because it's identical to my other Accord video, but I'll just show you the outcome of it. It's basic. They're pre-cut. You just decide where you want them, lay it down, and then squeegee them down. And if you get a little air pocket, just hit it with some heat and it'll lay flat. But it's really easy to work with. I'll put the link in the description where I got these too. So I'll go ahead and install them and I'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, so here's how it looks right now. Just easily laid down there. You can see I kind of lined it up to the seam on the back side. And since the Pilot has a little wider sill than the Accord, I had a gap on the top here because I wanted to protect the lower part of the door area more than if I butted it all the way against the top. So that's why it looks like that. You can probably find a thicker material, but this is fine for now. So, okay, go ahead and show you the next step. Okay, so now that we got these laid down, how you go on them, like I said, you can line them up any way you want. I'll show you the rears here. So it's pretty basic. As you can see, these are definitely shorter, but the same thing, I had the little gap on the top just so it protects more where you have a tendency to kick the sill when you get in and out. So that's the main thing, is protection on here. That's the reason I'm doing it, but they'll also look better too than having just all this plain paint. Okay, so here's the last one here, passenger side driver, or the passenger side front. So like I said, I think this cost me $4.99 for all the sills, cheap. And then the decals, I'll put a link in the description for those. It's the only place I go. And here's those decals, guys. Awesome quality again. I only get them in one place. She does awesome work. Any size you want, any color. Great material, like 7-year vinyl. I've never had an issue with them not sticking and anything like that. So I went ahead and got a little bit bigger for the front. I believe it's 9 inches for the front is what I chose. Again, you can choose whatever you want, but being that it's a bigger opening, I thought a 9-inch would look a little bit better in there. You know, and then the back, I think I got 6.5. If you can see, let's check it out here. Again, you can customize it however you want to do it. That's what I like. You can put another word there, Honda, whatever you guys want to do. But see, this sill's a lot smaller, so I did the 6.5 inch, and I just think it flows better. I try to keep the aspect ratio similar, so it looks kind of OEM. So I like to do the smaller decal in the back. So I'll go ahead and install these. Very easy, peel and stick, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, guys, so here's the final product. Very basic. I just centered it and laid them down. Has the transfer paper. You just push it down really good and then pull the transfer paper back, and it sticks really hard. Now, my wife doesn't want the clear overlay on top like I did on my car, so I'm going to leave it like this. I'll do an update a couple months later, and I'll tell you guys how they hold up, because my concern is that kicking them will ruffle the stickers, but you know, the location of the stickers, maybe not, and we'll find out. You know, the worst thing is if they get ruffled, you can put a new decal on. It's not that hard. Maybe cost you $2 for each decal. So very easy to replace. You know, it's still a lot cheaper than the $250 to $300 that the dealer wants, and I think it looks good. And when you get the color of your car, it kind of looks like the carbon fiber pieces are cut out because it looks like the paint showing through underneath. I like that. Real custom look. And again, the main thing is it protects the seal. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description of the parts you need, just the 4D carbon fiber and then the decals as well. And you can do this to your car. You can do it to the trunk area, whatever. It's easy. It's reversible. If you don't like it, peel it off. But it will protect your sill from scratches, because most times after you had your car a while, you'll notice this area right here gets scratched easy. So hope you guys like it. Hope everyone's doing good. I will talk to you guys later.